In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use merge tags Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know how to personalize both the recipient field and the body of your email with a subscriber's first name, and how to preview it so you know exactly what your audience will see. Start in your Mailchimp dashboard and head to Campaigns. Open the campaign you want to work on by clicking Edit. In the Campaign Builder, go to the To section. Here, turn on the option to personalize the Send To field. This tells Mailchimp to show a recipient's name, not just their email address, in inbox previews and headers. Choose Select a Merge Tag, then pick the first name option. That maps the name from your audience to the email header. Click Save to lock in that setting. Next, let's personalize the content of the email itself. Click Edit Design to open the email editor. From the content panel, drag a paragraph block into your layout where you want the greeting to go. Click inside the block and start your message, for example by typing "Hey," followed by a space. To insert the actual merge tag, open the three dots menu for that block, choose Merge Tags, and then select First Name. Mailchimp will drop the merge tag right where your cursor is, so your greeting reads like "Hey" plus the subscriber's name when sent. You can continue writing your sentence after the tag to keep the tone friendly and natural. Before you finish, it's a good idea to preview how this personalization will render. Click Preview to open the preview mode, then enable Leave Merge Tag Info. This swaps the tags with real data from your audience so you can confirm that the first name appears as expected in both the header and the body. If a contact doesn't have a first name on file, Mailchimp will follow your audience's default behavior, so keep that in mind as you review. A couple of quick tips as you test. Check the spacing and punctuation around the tag so the sentence reads smoothly, and keep greetings simple to avoid awkward capitalization. Also, while personalization is powerful, use it thoughtfully so it enhances clarity rather than distracting from your message. That's it. You've personalized the To field, added a first name greeting to your content, and verified everything with live merge tag preview. You're ready to send more engaging emails in Mailchimp with just a few clicks.